Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space with timeless charm and cozy vibes, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into outdoor rustic kitchen patio ideas that bring together functionality, warmth, and natural beauty. Let's get started. Rustic outdoor kitchens are all about celebrating the raw beauty of natural materials. From weathered wood to rugged stone, this design creates a warm, inviting space perfect for gatherings and cooking in the fresh air. Start with the right setting, an open patio surrounded by greenery or nestled under a pergola. These elements not only define the space, but also protect your kitchen from the elements. Materials are the soul of a rustic design. Opt for reclaimed wood for cabinets and shelving, stone or brick for countertops, and wrought iron accents for that authentic, vintage feel. When designing your outdoor rustic kitchen, keep it functional. Incorporate a grill, a wood-fired pizza oven, and plenty of prep space. A central island with bar seating is perfect for entertaining while you cook. Lighting sets the mood for your rustic patio. Use string lights draped across the pergola, lanterns for a cozy glow, and candles on the dining table for a touch of romance during evening meals. Pair your rustic kitchen with sturdy, weather-resistant furniture. Wooden benches, iron-framed chairs, and tables with distressed finishes complete the look while offering durability. Make the space uniquely yours with decor like vintage signs, terracotta pots, and hanging planters. Incorporate soft textiles like throw pillows and blankets for added comfort and charm. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating greenery. Surround your kitchen with potted herbs, climbing vines, or even a vertical garden. It not only enhances the rustic vibe, but also provides fresh ingredients for your cooking. There you have it, stunning outdoor rustic kitchen patio ideas to inspire your next project. Which element is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more outdoor design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.